Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. As a continuation to my Christmas cookie series, today I made some coconut meringue cookies for you. These cookies are very easy to make, so if you're not an experienced baker, you don't have to be afraid with these. This recipe is also gluten-free, there's no flour in there. So without further ado, let me show you how to make these coconut meringue cookies. Put 2 egg whites in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. And start whisking. And as it's getting stiff, add 80 grams of granulated sugar. And whisk until stiff peaks form. Just like this. Add 100 grams of shredded coconut. And 40 grams of farm cheese. And now slowly combine by hand. Make sure the farm cheese is well spread, but don't do any fast mixing. Now place a parchment paper on a tray and using 2 teaspoons, shape little gnocchi and place it on a paper. So this recipe will provide you with 1 tray of meringue cookies, and now put them into the oven and bake the cookies on 320°F for 20 to 25 minutes. This is the desired color of the meringue cookies. To check that they're done, you can also push a little bit from the top and they shouldn't be too squashy. I'm just gonna get them out of the tray and let them cool off on the parchment paper. So once the cookies are chilled, transfer them into an airtight container. I'll always put a kitchen roll or a napkin inside, and I'll show you how easily they just come off of the parchment paper. So just slide them off like this, one by one. And put them right in the container. And then store these cookies in a cold place, either a fridge, or you can put them in your balcony or outside if you live in a cold climate. And I usually make them weeks and weeks in advance, and they always last until like New Year's Eve, so you don't have to worry about expiry. And one last thing to mention is that for this recipe you need 2 egg whites. So that's why I always combine baking these with the Linsen cookies, because they actually use 2 egg yolks. So you can check that recipe if you want to use the whole egg in both of the recipes. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and happy holidays!